Hey, so this is gonna be the review of Galaxy Buds Live after 1 year of using them basically every day for maybe 10 hours a day. I'm addict. I watch so many YouTube videos, listen to so many hours of podcasts. They are so comfortable because they don't go inside your ear canal, so you can easily wear them for hours without any discomfort. They just stay on the surface of your ear, so you don't have any problem with like earwax, like irritation of ear canal. You can easily eat with them, talk with people, listen where people are saying to you. When you eat with earplugs that go inside your ear, there is this like irritation. There's like different sound, and it's very unpleasant experience. A good battery life around after 1 year, it still holds like 6-7 hours. They are very durable. I dropped them a lot of times on concrete. I walk with them in the rain. They still work great. One disadvantage maybe is they have like active noise cancelling, but it's so weak. I just use them to hear what is around me. That's why I love those headphones, because when I deliver pizza, that's my work right now, I need to listen to like the customers when they walk inside to their like pizzeria, or when I'm driving around, I'm listening to podcasts, but I need to hear what's going on around me at the road. So that's why I love them. The app, it's good. I would recommend to choose your dynamic profile sound. This one works for me. You can like tap twice to switch the songs or program the tapping. I use this to like sometimes turn on the noise cancelling. It works barely. It's like a minimal sound isolation. Sometimes it's useful when I'm driving, and so I definitely am gonna buy, after they gonna broke, I'm gonna buy the new Galaxy Buds Live. They work great even with iPhone. They don't work seamlessly. I have disconnected them from like a MacBook and connect them to iPhone, but with this comfortable fit I can easily do this. The sound quality is pretty good. I'm not a like sound expert, but I really like those earphones. The sound, you can choose different profiles and see what you like, so the sound is very good, especially with not half ear headphones. The sound is amazing for that, so I'm never gonna complain, especially when I'm just listening to the conversations. I don't really listen to music that much. One tip: if you have a problem with fit, the Galaxy Buds Live, inside the box you get like different pairs of gums that you can switch and put on the headphones. So if you have problem with like a discomfort, pain with your own earphone, my recommendation is just try Galaxy Buds Live. They are old. They have like 2 years, 3 years, but they are great. You don't feel them when you wear them. They are amazing. No discomfort, no pain. That's why I really like Galaxy Buds Live. So that's my review of Galaxy Buds Live, my favorite headphones so far. Thanks for watching.
Samsung Galaxy Buds Live.